Hello, friends. My name is Nizam. How are you all? Do you want to learn English? I will teach you English. What are you doing? I am listening. I miss you a lot. I know how to play games. I play games all day. Which grade are you in? I have 3 brothers. My friend's name is Saddam. Which food do you like? I like vegetables. I go to school every day. I have a car. I love my mother a lot. My father is a farmer. I go out with my friend. Today is a holiday from school. I love London City. Will you learn to speak English? What is your name? How many brothers do you have? Which vegetable do you like? Do you go to school or not? Which grade do you study in? My village is very nice. It has beautiful flowers and blessings. My school has good parking. I am very hospitable. I help the poor. I respect elders and younger ones. I speak politely. I don't fight with anyone. I often think about old memories. I walk every day with my friend. I have 2 sisters. I love the English language a lot. I don't know Urdu. I study and write all day. I have a book. There is a big school in my village. My village also has a hospital. Right now it's winter season. I have a mobile phone. Today I will eat chocolate. Our house is made of mud. I need to buy a sweater today. I play hockey. My friend studies in grade 5. I study in grade 10. You are my friends, and I love you very much. My brother runs a business. I walk to school. I like fruits the most. Planes fly in the sky. Rain falls from the sky. We do farming. Our crops are ready. The fan in my room is not working. I sleep a lot. My son's name is Ali. I hear with my ears. I walk with my legs. Today I am feeling cold. I'm going to buy medicines. We have a doctor in our village. My village is very simple. I will visit London one day. My brother lives in London. Good morning. It's 5 o'clock now. Today my friend Saddam went to London for a visit. What is your name and what is your father's name? Who do you love the most? Which game do you like? Do you go to school every day? Speaking and learning English is easy. I will teach you English. Thank you very much. We drink clean water for good health. We avoid unhealthy things. Eat well, drink well. This life is short. Do you want to live a good life? What business do you do? Love little children. Educate the children. We speak with our tongue. We have a heart inside us. Go for a morning walk. Wake up early in the morning. Don't stay up late at night.